Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxing, skincare, and makeup tutorials, and then I also do product reviews along the way. So, today I finally got my January Ipsy Glam bag. This is actually the base Ipsy bag, which is $12 a month now. And in this bag, we typically get 5 travel size items or deluxe sample size items, which $12 isn't that bad because every so often we also will receive a full size item. Many of you guys know that I had actually been skipping Ipsy for a little bit because after the whole fiasco of November, I was just kind of unhappy with the Ultimate. And then in December, if you guys didn't know, I had seen the preview of my Glam Bag Plus, and sadly, that bag it was the worst variation. And when I emailed Ipsy about it, they told me, well, we're over $120 value. Yet they included a $3 lip balm and an $8 lipstick, which in my opinion was a joke. So at the time, I requested them to actually cancel Plus. I kept it as that because I've been noticing as of late, Glam Bag Plus is being very neglected by Ipsy. Now they're getting the worst variations. They might include one great item, but the rest is pretty much, it feels like it's leftovers as of late. If you're interested in seeing what I got in my January Ipsy Glam Bag, keep on watching. But before we go any further, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Select all in your notifications. This way you are notified the moment I do an upload. As I mentioned before, I am trying to start uploading more frequently, at least 2 to 3 times a week. And very soon, I hope by next month, I will also have a proper upload schedule for you guys. But anyways, you guys, let's go. So for my bag, I've already, I lifted this open because it can always be a hassle. And I did see the sneak peek. So just in case you guys don't know, on the 2nd of every month, Ipsy does actually upload in our account a visual for us to see what items we've got in our bags or plus boxes, whatever, because they do have 3 different subscriptions. They have this one at $12, they have the plus, which is $25, and they have the ultimate, which is $50. And again, in my opinion, for me, it was a dud the 2 months I got it. On the 2nd, you're also able to do up to 5 add-on items actually in your subscription, so that's pretty cool. And personally, that's why I actually decided to skip Plus, because of the fact that the add-on, I figured, you know what, I saw the sneak peeks, and I'm honestly glad I did, because again, no one really liked January's. I saw the sneak peeks. There's only really 3 items that I liked from the Plus. Actually, it was more like 2, so I'll just get them as add-ons. All the items from my Ipsy Glam bag came in this little cute bag, which is a very adorable marble effect with the little pink and this little Ipsy tassel. And I like this kind of like vinyl type material, but it doesn't feel like cheap plastic. My add-ons are right here. So I will show you guys my add-ons. Ipsy has 3 tiers of add-ons now. They have the $3 add-ons, which tend to be or deluxe sample sizes, and randomly, like, they'll include full-size brushes in the $3 range. Then they have a $12 range, which tends to be the full-size items in most palettes. And recently, I noticed in December, they added an $18 level. So those tend to be like the higher end skincare and higher end value palettes. And for my add-ons, I actually chose to get this Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession I've wanted to get actually a nice kind of blue tone palette that I figured this was a great opportunity. I got this for $12, you guys. I think the colors look really, really pretty, and I want to try to experiment with more color personally. Because for me, I would not pay, I think these are like $28, $29 retail. I would not pay $28, $29 for that. I'm sorry. No. The other thing I got was this Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 pressed powder, because I'm almost out of my current pressed powder, and I wanted to try this since I do enjoy the liquid foundation. Golden medium. I think I got it maybe to warm up my skin. I gotta double check because I thought I got the slightly lighter shade. Anyways, but it comes in this nice little compact right here, and it's still like a soft warm tone, and I think this would be good for me in the summer maybe. We will test it out later. Just so you guys are aware, this, because it is a travel size item or sample size item, this is only $3. That's a great way to get introduced to a new product when you're not used to it, instead of spending on a full size item, and you'll get quite a bit of use of that. I also did the Morphe Fluidity Concealer in shade C1.55 Soft Matte. A lot of people mention that it's a really good concealer, and personally, I'm always testing out and trying new concealers and foundations, because that's my biggest goal in my channel, is to try out the best products for people with more mature textured skin and dry skin at that. So it says soft matte, which is why I am trying this, and I think I did a good job at picking a color to help brighten my under eye area. So I hope this works. So let's begin with my bag. So this month's theme is called Clean Slate, and it says here, this is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you, habits, feeling expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. Actually, I gotta say, that's a very cute little motto there. That's very cute. On this card, it tells us all our items that we received. Now, because everything is, again, sample size, deluxe, travel sizes, we don't get prices on this one, which again is perfectly fine. So, what I am noticing is I do have actually 2 full-size items in my bag that I didn't even realize. So I will mention the prices as I'm reviewing them. The 2 that were full size. So this right here is from Araceli Beauty. It says Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner in Coffee. So this is a brown. I actually like the fact that for once they're sending different colors than black, because, you know, how many black liners can you use? And I personally do like having color liners. Especially, I ran out of my brown one, so it's perfect timing for me to try this. And this retails at $16. It says it creates endless eye looks with the chocolate brown liquid liner from beauty blogger and entrepreneur Araceli. Okay, so there's no ballpoint pen in there, and it says it's a felt tip liner. Oh yeah, this, if you guys can see that, that's a very, very nice tip right there. Now this little guy right here, even though they're telling me it's a full size, it says Beauty for Real Lip Reveal Tinted Lip Balm in Debbie. Oh, it's a lip balm, and it retails at $14. Swipe the balm onto your lips over lipstick for a glossy effect, or mix it in with your lipstick for a sheer satin finish. So that's actually interesting. I'm going to open her up so I could see what the color is, because this I'm actually interested about. Oh, this is so cute. It has like a little horse design right here, but in like sparkles. The balm is like a pinky tone. That's very pretty. I'm going to put it just on the top of my lipstick to see how it looks. That feels very nice and hydrating, so I do like that. So this is actually also another pure 4-in-1 pressed mineral powder. This is shade light LN6. This is actually the shade that I get also for my liquid foundation. And so this would be my complementary color. So again, I'm excited to try it. That's actually part of the reason why I decided to get a secondary one, is because I wanted to have 2 tones so I could play with the colors. So this is from Glow Recipe. It's their Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I'm excited to try it out since I haven't tried the Glow Recipe cleanser. And yeah, it says Makeup Erasing Deep Cleansing. Oh, okay, so it has a seal, so that's good. So I won't open it up. And it has a 12-month shelf life. And personally, I actually like saving these for when I travel, so that way I'm not packing my big stuff and having possible issues of spillage. So this is a single shadow from Real Her, and the shade name is Incomparable. Let me open it up. This is definitely a shade you would use to set your base, because it's very soft. Ooh, it's very soft. Besides being a soft color, it's literally my skin tone. That's why I meant soft as well. So it feels very soft and creamy. I actually have a Real Her palette, so that's awesome because I don't think it has a shade color like this. So that's great. I also forgot to mention, you guys, so my choice item actually was the Pure 4-in-1 Mineral Pressed Powder. So that's actually what my choice was. And then supposedly they curate our bags based around our main choice. I actually really like everything I got. I actually was really excited for my bag. The way things have been going with Ipsy, in all honesty, I feel that the Glam bag is the most bang for your buck. Yes, you get the smaller sizes, but if you really wanted to, you can do add-ons and get what you would really like. You get 5 choices. I spent $18 on my 3 items that I actually wanted. That means it was actually a $7 savings when you think about it compared to getting the Glam Bag Plus. Even though I actually really wanted the, they had like this more red tone palette, and there was like an amethyst, a purple palette. Those are the 2 I was looking for. But actually, I had actually wanted the blue one too, so I'm fine with that. Hopefully they'll have it next month. So yeah, so I think overall, I definitely got my money's worth. So as a recap on what I got, was the single eyeshadow from Real Her. I got the brown liquid liner. I got this very nice creamy lip balm, which is a full size. These 2 are full size items. The Pure 4-in-1 Mineral Pressed Powder, which again, I'm excited to try. Glow Recipe Cleanser. So I definitely feel that I got my money's worth. For $12, this is a great bargain because yes, you can go to like Ulta and Sephora and get travel sizes, but even the travel sizes run anywhere from $6 to $10, $12, for example, per item. So I think this was a great bargain for $12, and I'm now going to be able to try out 2 new brands that I haven't tried and items I have never tried at all, and that I've been looking forward to trying. So I'm definitely excited for that. But let me know in the comments below if you guys like the items that I received in my January Ipsy Glam bag. If you have Ipsy, what was your favorite item? And if you guys excited for the sneak peeks that they've been showing on Subscription 101, because I'm very tempted to get the Plus again, because they're showing the Wonder Beauty foundation and a few other nice high-end foundations, and I'm like, thank you guys so very much again for watching my video today. Please remember to hit that subscribe button before you guys head out, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.